Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to write a program that will ask the size of an array, and then a program will determine which of the given numbers of an array is the smallest element and the biggest element using pointers in C++. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this kind of videos, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So basically I'm using dev C++ in writing this program. So we have here sharp include IOStream for input output using namespace, and then I create a function find minimum. So array int, so the smallest we assign the element by 0 using for loop statement, and then a min function in C++. It will check for the smallest numerical value of an array. The second, to find the maximum or the biggest number from the list of given numbers. So I create also another function. We will call this function find maximum, and then we have passing parameters here, array a and n. So the biggest we assign again with 0, so using for loop statement, and then we are using the max function in C++ to determine the maximum value of a series of numbers. Return the biggest, this one is return the smallest, big close. Our find maximum function int main, it is the starting and ending point of every C++ program. We have begin, and then I declare two variables here, n and I, and then we have here the title, the biggest smallest number in an array using pointers in C++. Line 34 and 35, we are asking the user to give the size of an array. So in pointer equals some %n, declaration of a pointer here, and array n, it will ask the user to give a series of numbers here, and then it will display the list of numbers. And then using a variable int smallest integer, we find, calling the function minimum to find the smallest value, and then the biggest variable, we find the maximum or the big, this one is the smallest, this is the biggest value now from the list of values being given by the user. And then new line here, 58 to 59, display the biggest element and smallest elements. New line, and then the right curly bracket. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download this sample program, biggest and smallest number in an array using pointers in C++. Let us compile and run so that we can see our program and check if there is some bugs. Biggest and smallest number in an array using pointers in C++. Give the size of an array. Let's say we have 5, 45, negative 67, 4, 3, and 12. Now 5 elements. The 5 elements of an array are 45, negative 67, 4, 7, and 12. The smallest element is negative 67. The biggest element is 45. Okay, another example. Let's say we have 8 elements now. So we give values 12, 45, 4, 5, negative 76, negative 677, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12,345, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there are 8 elements: 12, 5, negative 76, negative 60, negative 677, 12,345, 9, 0, and 900. The smallest element is negative 677. The biggest element is 12,345. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on biggest and smallest number in an array using pointers in C++ programming language. I will put a link in the video description guys, so that you can download the complete source code for free in my 2 websites. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.